We're getting information that the BJP has slammed Aam Aadmi Party's drug campaign. There seems to be a major political row that is now escalated in Punjab. The row, remember, is over Aam Aadmi Party's anti-drug pamphlets. Now, as per the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party has indulged in sacrilege. The BJP has slammed the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that AAP is distorting religious figures. Remember that the entire row is about the depiction of Sikh gurus in the pamphlets as well as the Sikh holy scriptures. Now, the BJP has slammed Aam Aadmi Party, saying that Sikh sentiments have been hurt and that the portrayal of the Sikh gurus is offensive. Remember that the Bhagwant Mann government has come under the scanner with regards to the drug campaign that has been launched in Punjab. This is with regards to the pamphlet that has been released by the Aam Aadmi Party. Well, on this, my colleague Ghazali joining us on the broadcast. Ghazali, if I understand this correctly, Punjab last year only passed an anti-sacrilege bill. So will this be applied over here? What exactly is the case about? Walk us through the details.
See, it is more of a political slugfest between all the political parties. It started in the national capital when we saw FIR being registered against Atishi. Her video, which the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab claims to be doctored, was sent for forensic lab in Delhi as per the Delhi Assembly Speaker. But meanwhile, the Punjab AAP unit of the Punjab government jumped into the investigation. They lifted the video from Kapil Mishra's Twitter account, Kapil Mishra being the Delhi minister, and then they said the Forensic Sciences Laboratory in Mohali has said, or its examination suggests that perhaps the video is doctored, and anybody who has shared that video on their social media have been booked in an FIR. Now, after that, both the BJP and the Congress have upped the ante. The Congress has also registered its dissatisfaction with the party, criticizing it, calling it a political witch hunt, and also raising the issue that how come Punjab police has jurisdiction over a case which has happened in Delhi or something which has happened inside the Delhi Assembly. But meanwhile, the BJP has also raised the issue of a recent campaign which was launched by the Aam Aadmi Party led by Mr. Bhagwant Mann, the Chief Minister, as well as the ex-Delhi Chief Minister, Mr. Kejriwal, wherein they had launched a campaign against drug abuse, announcing that there would be village defense committees, and announcing that campaign they had used a pamphlet wherein the BJP alleges that the pictures have distorted the images of Sikh gurus as well as the Guru Granth Sahib, the religious book considered as guru by the Sikh community here. So sacrilege politics has intensified in Punjab, both the parties accusing each other of distorting religious figure, disrespecting religious figure, and we all know that how sacrilege is a very emotive issue in Punjab since 2016, 2017. We saw the impact of when all these issues of sacrilege had come up in Punjab, impacting the state polls back in 2017, and it is considered a very emotive issue, and in certain cases has also led to violence across the state. So right now it's my sacrilege versus your sacrilege, and politics hitting around it.
Absolutely, Ghazali rightly mentioned what happened in the Delhi Assembly. The reverberations can also be seen in Punjab. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those updates with us.